Hello, everybody. Marie Gervais here with Shift Management on 12 days to your dream job in 2025. And we are on day 11, which is about Vimeo AI. Now, I don't know if you use Vimeo, but it's quite a useful platform. And it has a lot of new AI functions, one of which I discovered recently. And it is that you can create videos fairly quickly using stock video images and then add captions and titles and things like that too. So I'll just show you. They have a lot of things that you can choose from, and you can do one of their templates, or you can simply just take something and drop and drag it in, which is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to take from their uploads. I'm going to do something about communicate, see what they've got in that particular theme. And then I'm going to pick something that I like from here where it looks like people are communicating. And I think I will take this one right here, drop it in here. And so it's going to load in pretty quickly. Now, maybe what I want to do after that is that I would like to add something that is not a video. Maybe I'd like to add something that's an image. So let's look for an image here with communicate and see what we've got. Maybe we've got something that has to do with communication around the globe. So I'm just going to stick that image in here. And I've got that one. And now I want to add another bunch of video. So let me go back to video. See what else I've got from communicate that I might like to add. And let's just see. We've got people communicating in lots of different ways. Let's maybe take group one and stick it in here. And there we go. Now, whoops, it looks like it's split. So I don't want to split it this time. So now I've got a video and I've got also an image, and then I've got another thing right here. And I think what I'd like to do at the end is I just put in some text, put in a title and say, thanks for watching. Don't think I want that and side in there. Right. So I'm going to do that, and I think I'll have some fill. Maybe let's do the fill this color and see what happens. Nothing. I'd have to practice with it a little bit more to see some more effects from that. But let's now take a look at our whole video and see what it looks like. So if we go right back to the beginning and we play it, we've got this footage. Now I can also add music, but I'm not going to do that right now because it's going to take a little bit longer. Then we've got that one image. Now we've got some footage with more people communicating. We're almost at the end of our short little video. And when you get to the last one, we're going to see if my text turned out okay. And it says, thanks for watching. And that's basically it. So that's the whole video. Now you can try a little bit more with it. I just messed with it for about 5 minutes and I came up with one that was similar to this. And when you're adding text, it's a little bit more tricky, but not too much. It's really easy to use. You can add different colors in this piece. You can put a brand, you can put music. They have lots of different music that you can add to it. And that is how you can make some pretty fast videos using the Vimeo AI stock footage and the creation of the video tool. You can even ask for AI to generate some ideas or some captions later on, but this is a good way to get started. So I hope you like this for day 11, which is the Vimeo Drag and Drop video feature, Vimeo Drag and Drop video feature, which is relatively new for AI for them. And you'll probably find it useful to be able to make videos in your job at some point. And this can be a skill that you can learn quite quickly because it gives you all this stock footage. So that was day 11. My name is Marie Gervais with Shift Management, and this is part of our 12 days to your dream job 2025. Tomorrow is our last day, day 12, and that's where I'm going to do an interpersonal skill. What should you do? Email, text, or phone, or meet in person? And so we're going to do that as our final day of this campaign. Looking forward to seeing you on day 12.